So it's no surprise that utilizing AI as a resource could actually speed up your design process. However, if you don't know what actually to put into the AI system to generate an image, you might be stuck at really getting low quality results. So in today's video, I want to share with you 5 top trending AI prompts you can utilize today to sell amazing products on Etsy. I want to share this all with you coming up next. Now, one of the main resources that we're going to use to create these AI designs is Kittle. And the reason why I like utilizing Kittle is not only do they have a great system to create amazing AI designs, but they actually have a great design system just in general with their templates and their font designs and so many different styles you can incorporate with your AI designs. Now, if you want to get started with Kittle on your own, they also kind of give my audience a discount code to get started yourself with their software. I make sure to leave all the details down in my description box below if you want to check this out on your own. All right, so here we are in Etsy. Obviously, we need to do product research before we truly design anything so that we know whatever we are focusing on is going to be top tier designs that we know are selling extremely well on Etsy itself. So that being said, I'd like to head over into this area right here just to identify what type of things are doing well. Obviously, we want to identify the popular nows and the best-selling products, but we definitely want to keep in mind that whatever we redesign or we recreate, it needs to be something that's following top trends and definitely incorporating something new that we can redesign in our own unique way. All right, so we have found several top trending designs that can do extremely well for us as we move over into these AI designs. But as you can see here, we're focusing on creating these tumbler wrap designs, and this Highland cow, really a mixture of Highland cows, is doing extremely well right now. We see some top things with bestsellers. Again, 7 people bought it in the last 24 hours. So we know anything Highland cow is going to do extremely well, and that's something we definitely want to take into consideration when we are creating our AI designs. Again, same thing being done here. We see this more so a little different, bringing in that coffee style and even some unique colors here, but still within the Highland cow, category or interest. Again, bestseller. We know this is doing extremely well. 7 people have it in the cart. I think that would do extremely well moving forward. And we see this watercolor butterfly design is doing extremely well also. And again, we have this horse design that's doing well. So we definitely want to utilize this as well. And we see this design here doing extremely well, bringing in that retro, colorful sea turtle design and bringing in those additional elements with the beach in the background. Obviously, that glitter is a great addition to this design as well. So we have our top trending designs that we're definitely going to focus on. Again, the same process you would do for whatever you are selling. But from here, we want to utilize AI to redesign this in our unique way, and even in some ways go into new niches that we can start creating these type of designs for our products. All right, so here's our design focus that we're definitely going to incorporate, again, following this trend. I'm having different type of Highland cows here, but we definitely want to incorporate this for a different niche, but still bringing in that style of bringing in different type of Highland cows here. And so we're going to jump into Kittle. First thing we want to do is definitely focus on our prompt, and we want to more so focus on the beach summer theme and spread out all of those cows in a different fun and unique way. And so here's the prompt that we have for our design: cute Highland cow in sunglasses wearing a summer beach outfit on a white background, whimsical art, digital painting, playful mood, and bright colors. And the type of style I like to use on Kittle when I'm creating these type of designs with different type of elements or characters on them is going all the way down to the bottom here and utilizing this watercolor. So let's see what type of results we can get when we put in this specific prompt. All right, so here are the designs that we got so far. Again, we have this Highland cow here. We have this Highland cow as well. Again, bringing in the sunglasses and the beach theme. And we have this Highland cow as well. And I think all 3 of these came out extremely well. And again, we're definitely utilizing that beach theme. Again, we don't want to be an exact copy of what's selling well, but think about what is doing well and reincorporating that into our own unique way. And obviously, we're definitely going to focus on the summertime or the beach theme for this particular design here. And of course, bringing in that text to our overall style. But as you can see, I think Kittle AI did an amazing job really bringing out a high quality design that I know will do extremely well for us moving forward on Etsy. All right, so here is that top trending design we already found to be working extremely well on Etsy. And again, the overall goal is not to copy copy, but to take what is working and redesign it in our own unique way, bring in a different color or bring in a different style, and then we can reorganize that into our listing to sell even more products online with Etsy. So with that being said, let's go back over into Kittle. And again, the overall goal is to put in a prompt, and let's see what Kittle does with that prompt. So here's our prompt that we put in here. Cute Highland cow and drinking milkshake. So not in the coffee style no more, but obviously that can change to whatever you want the Highland cow to be doing. And again, we said with a pink and light purple sunflower and with a checkered scarf around the Highland cow that's also pink and light purple. And we also added here with a cute bow on the head of the Highland cow on a white background with vibrant colors. And so let's see what we get as a result. All right, so here are the results that we gathered from Kittle. Obviously, we're utilizing that watercolor background again, but as you can see, these came out extremely well. And again, we can add in some text here on the side. We can add in multiple different type of variations of this design here with some different text, adding in some backgrounds to our design to make them stand out even more. But again, this can really be applied just not for a Tumblr sublimation product, but for any type of digital or even physical product that you are selling online with Etsy. But as you can see, Kittle is kind of holding its own in regards to utilizing this AI tool. And remember, everything we're talking about today, the AI prompts, the design itself, everything will be down in my comment section below for you to use yourself, to download the same exact images, and for you to utilize this on your own Etsy business. And here is the design that we created for our Tumblr wrap. Again, we took that AI prompt and we added here with some more things that make it stand out even more. Again, following that top trend of that theme here. And then we added in some more elements to make it stand out even more. And then as a final product, this is how it looks when it's on a Tumblr for our mockups here. As you can see, this can sell extremely well. And all we did here was add in the AI design. And again, added in some extra things to this to make it stand out even more. And as you can see, this could be a product we can sell either on a real physical product or even sell this as a digital Tumblr wrap. But this is a great product for you to sell on Etsy. Now, if you want to get a separate video of how I actually create these in Kittle and also in Canva, then let me know in the comment section below. I'll make sure I do a separate video and teach you how to create these type of Tumblr wrap designs. All right, so here's our next trending product here. Obviously, it's bringing in the watercolor background with the butterflies all over around with the center butterfly in the middle. And again, I think we can do some great things in Kittle AI by adding in some extra features here. So let's jump into Kittle. Let's see what it can do when we put in our AI prompt. Here are some results that we gathered here. Again, I'll share the prompt with you in a moment, but as you can see here is a lot of great designs that we created utilizing this AI tool. And again, of course, it's not the exact same thing we see here to work well on Etsy, but again, it's also about bringing in something new into this design space that could be extremely intriguing to someone who is interested in buying a butterfly type of product in here. And so let's look at the prompt and see how do we get these type of results. When I go back over into my AI generator here, you can see the prompt that we have, which it says butterfly with vibrant wings, intricate floral pattern on one side of the wing, colorful flowers, abstract background, artistic design, splashes of color, again, detailed illustration, fantasy theme artwork, bright and cheerful, and glitter covering the entire butterfly. And I think this is exactly what we got here. And again, this is following the top trending products. Again, we're focusing on creating what works and again, bringing something new into this space here, like this butterfly with floral design on one side of the wing, with adding in this colorful theme of the flowers here with the butterfly and adding in that glitter. This can be great, just not for a Tumblr product, but can be great even for a print-on-demand product or just a clip art you sell in general. There's a lot of opportunities here. We can definitely create and design these type of products. And I think, again, Kittle did extremely well with this AI design. All right, so here is the next product that we have created. As you can see, it really brings in the floral design here that came out extremely well. And of course, these things can be added to a Tumblr, to a t-shirt, or what have you. And of course, adding in more designs to it, even personalization to make it stand out even more. But as you can see, this looks extremely well. Again, following that top trending product, but of course, incorporating some different type of design trends, color styles into our AI product. But as you can see, this is a really great design with multiple designs here we can definitely add to our product. Now, here's the prompt that we use here for this type of design. Horse with floral patterns, vibrant colors, digital art, fantasy theme, beautiful flowers around the horse, artistic illustration, high resolution, and intricate detail, and that came out extremely well for us. And so there's a lot here that we can do with this design to really make it stand out. We're adding in again personalization, or just adding in some more things to the background to make this design pop even more. All right, here's our final AI design that we created. And we have this prompt here: colorful sea turtle artwork, vibrant sunflowers, abstract splashes, watercolor effect, bright and bold colors, aquamarine and yellow tones, artistic illustration, high contrast, nature inspired, decorative design, and modern art style. And you can see that came out extremely well. And for this design here, we utilized the watercolor. As we can see, those watercolor splashes coming out very well here in our design. As you can see, all of the AI artwork we have created in this video is really sharp, really crisp, amazing colors when it is printed out. For our case today, like a tumbler wrap, but definitely can be transferable into other products. And you're able to sell these as digital products and even make money there as well. So I think the Kiddo AI tool is great as a resource when you are trying to create your AI designs. And we can see all these things here looking amazing, and we can sell these on Etsy for print on demand or even digital products itself. But I think this is a great resource if you're looking into creating different type of art designs for your print on demand business. So as you can see, creating amazing designs in Kiddo's AI tool is a great way just not to speed up your design process, but really generate some amazing designs you can use for your Etsy business, either be digital or print on demand. Now, if you're struggling with creating these high quality prompts, then I have created an entire membership where I share with you my daily AI prompts, as well as downloadables to whatever I create you can use, along with some great keywords you can use on your Etsy products. If you want to check that out, then check out my link down below. And also subscribe to my channel if this was in any way helpful and you want to learn more about how to sell these type of products online with Etsy. As always, my friends, my name is Jay, and I will see you in the next video.